All right, guys. I was gonna do a live, but some things have came up, and I have time right now to do the remask for this. Adding red, Crimson Fire from Old Masters to be exact. So I'm gonna do it here, and if you guys have any questions, put them in the comments, and I'll do my best to answer them. If you're a part of the collective, I'm sure they'll have some tag teams in there trying to give me some answers if I can't answer fast enough. So first off, I always start with 320 and lightly sand over. This has been sitting for a few days, so I can rub on it to get anything off. I'll do 320 over the whole thing before I do a poly. That's just something I do. Kind of knocks down all those edges. So I'm just gonna take a light tack cloth. That ensures that there's almost zero dust on this board. And then I have my remask here. Just do a quick push down. Helps with pulling up this transfer, everything will stick good. Hopefully. I always have better luck doing these peels reverse so that my sticker is down. Don't prove me wrong here. All right. Again, this is Oracal 631. If you aren't familiar, it's a removable vinyl. So now I'm going to line this up. Sometimes it takes a minute, sometimes you get it quick. I usually go on both sides. Pretty darn close. Since I got the hole in the middle, I'm gonna start from edge of the hole and work out. Again, I apologize for not doing the live, but I'm sure I'll do one in the future. Just isn't the right time right now. And then, as everybody knows, you know, peel your stencil off, or your transfer tape, sorry. I'll tape over that. I had a little piece come up here. So then I'll go back with some green frog, tape off any areas that, you know, you might be worried about. I don't really cut them to size, I just kind of fold them if the tape's too big. I didn't take all the time to just cut the remask. I actually just took the area out from which this whole design was. Some people would, I have extra cut lines, is pretty much what I'm saying. So I'm covering some of those cut lines just to be safe that I don't, I mean, it's dark brown, so most likely it's not going to come through. And my door to the garage is always open, so if my 2.5-year-old or my wife comes in, I'll be back. Now I'm just going to do this edge here as precaution. Tape is cheap and fast, so you don't have to go back and try touching up. So I'm always generous with my tape. Might not need it, but that's okay. All right. So now the fun part. So I have Old Masters, gel stain, always, Crimson Fire. And then I just take a piece of Remask, or I'm sorry, of backer. That's probably even too much. But I'll dab it on here, and then dab it off until I'm almost dry. That way, my first pass, I'll kind of be, you know, real easy, but it also helps you push down all those edges a little extra. And then the second time around, I'll worry about filling everything in. What are you doing? How was your nap? Good. I'm almost done, buddy. I'll be in a couple minutes. Daddy's just staying in.
I'm out here.
Okay.
I can come out here.
Yes, you can come out here.
Turn the heater on.
Turn the heater on?
It's cold in here.
Yeah, I know. It's cold. It's only 60 degrees.
It is.
60 degrees.
Yes.
How cold is it? Is it snowing outside?
I don't need these.
What?
I don't need these.
Those are going to go in the house, bud.
The house? Can I wear them?
Sure. Thanks, bud. You're the best. Can you go shut the door?
No, because my hands are good. Keep it. It's under this.
No.
It's under here. It's under this. It's under this.
Dominic, I don't know what's under there.
Some bloody siding ones.
A lot of spider webs.
Yeah, a lot of sawdust.
A lot of sawdust.
Yeah, it's sawdust over there.
There's sawdust everywhere, bud. I fixed your chair. Inside, your stool's fixed. Did you see it?
Is it?
It's fixed. I'm almost done. That's your brush. That's your broom.
That's my broom. I take all I know that.
This is what I was talking about. I have extra cuts, so it's gonna take me an extra minute to peel this.
Yeah.
Yeah. You like cornhole boards, bud?
Yeah, I like them.
Do you have your own?
Hi, Mom. See that? And see will get that.
You can get it off.
No.
Why? It's just dust. Be very careful opening that door, buddy. Okay. Yeah, Daddy doesn't have it plugged in right now. Give mommy a water, bud. Oh, I don't need a beer right now. Thanks, bud.
Yep.
I'll have one in a minute. Yep, I got it.
So got it. You need corn. My corn. It's my corn. I want to talk to you. I need these hot too.
How about you set it down on the step?
You don't have shoes on, buddy. Are you just gonna sit there? Be extremely careful, do not fall.
I'm watching him.
Are you not watching me?
Oh, I'm watching you, buddy.
I see them my coffee.
You like
You made your beer when you gave me?
Yeah, I love the beer that you gave me. Thank you. So, I did have a little tear out on here. And I will fix that once this all dries. I'll come back with just a cloth and it'll actually fill that in probably. Yep, not right now. In a minute, okay? We're not hammering anything right now. So, there it is. There's the Remask. Like I said, I got a tiny bit of tear out right there, but I can take a cloth and actually just rub that. Same thing with like that little tiny spot right there. Little tiny spot right there. That's all fixable. You'll find that out when you do it yourself.
Yes.
Thanks, bud. So, thank you guys. And I tried to keep it short, under 15 minutes, so not bad.